Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, black and blue burgers with bacon and sauteed onions. It's gonna be freaking delicious. I got some new merch. I bought some new merch. I'm pretty excited. Great YouTube channel, great friends of mine. They've been around for a while. If you haven't yet, you need to subscribe to The Cooking Cop and Babe. Hey, if you haven't yet, I know most of you probably already have. They got merch now, so go check them out. Let's get this burger going next on Cooking with Corey. All right, here's our lineup for today. We got some bones. We got some 80-20 ground beef. We got some bacon. We got some blue cheese. We got a half an onion there that I just cut into half moons. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see into the thing. We got some butter, and then we got our blackening seasoning that we're gonna run you through here quick. So 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and everything's got mixed together because of the wind. 1 teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon salt. I'm using kosher. I did have to get some ground thyme there, so that's what that is. So anyway, those are our ingredients. That's our blackening spice right there. You can definitely buy it in the store, or you can make your own. We're gonna make our own today. All right, here we got our seasoning mix, and the wind's coming, so let's mix this up. Get her all incorporated, and screw that. Impeccably clean hands, as usual, so let's get them in there and get that all mixed together. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's good looking blackening right there. Look at that. All right, our patty, which I already made, half pound. Look at that bad boy. All right, goes right in there. Get the other side of him. And don't forget your edges. Just roll them around like that. And look at that. Oh, missed a little part. There we go. All right. Hey, let's get that Blackstone fired up next. All right, let's get this party started off right. And you know how to start a party off right? That is with bacon, by golly. And we are gonna lay the bacon to it. Why wouldn't we? Because we can. Let's do 4 strips. Doing one burger, but I tell you what, we do a burger, we do a burger. All right. 4 strips of bacon on the 36-inch Blackstone, medium high, medium high, medium high on. All right, let's let this go for just a sec, and we'll get our burgers started. I mean, come on, who doesn't like to watch bacon sizzle on a flat top? Isn't that wonderful? It's a wonderful thing. Our bacon is going away, looking good. Let's give her the good old flip. See how we're looking? Bacon's looking delicious. I'm going to move the bacon over here, like so, and we're going to put on our delicious blackened beef patty. Actually, before I do that, we got some bacon grease on there. Add just a little bit of butter to the mix there, and just a smidge of oil, just so we're not burning the heck out of that butter. Burn a little bit. All right, time for our patty to go on, right on top of that butter. Right there. Our patty is started. Let's move on to other things. But does that look delicious? Does that look delicious? All right. We'll move on to the next step. Okay, we have our delicious patty going. I've moved my bacon over. I got our onions. We're gonna put those right there. We just want to saute these down. Take a little sweetness out of them. Look at that. All right, we'll get right there so I can soak in all that bacon, some of that blackening seasoning, and so on. And we will give them a pat of butter. Throw that sucker on top. Just a little bit of oil. And we'll let that go. We're moving on in our black and blue burger. We are moving along in our cook, as you can see. Our patty still working there. Our onions, we're trying to get them a little bit caramelized. We're not going to take them all the way down to being caramelized onions. Give them a little help though. Let's give them a little salt and pepper. Throw out some of that moisture, and they need a little salt. Our bacon over here, I don't know if I showed you, is done. So he's all the way over here on the warm side of the griddle. Our patty, we're not going to smush. We're going to make this nice and juicy, and we might even have some pink in there, because that's the way I'm feeling today. All right, that's where we're at right now. We're getting close, folks. All right, here we go. One of the things you need to remember when you're blackening something, I don't care if it's chicken, I don't care if it's fish, shrimp, a burger, a steak, whatever. You want a good crust. And I think we got one. Let's flip this sucker over and see what we did here. And we did just that. Look at that. Look at that crust. I'm actually gonna put these over there. We'll put that burger right down in there, some of that more, move our onions over. Let that get a little bit more crusty, and I'll tell you what, won't be long. We're gonna cheese it, top it, plate it. Our patty is looking delightful. All right, it's time to dress them up. Let's give them some of our grilled onions on top, like so. Take our bacon, with my impeccably clean hands, by the way. 2, 3, woohoo, it's hot. 4, and 4. Put that out a little bit. There we go, looking good. Our blue cheese, because we gotta have that on him. Big old nub of blue cheese right on top. And don't be shy when you're doing the blue cheese. Get it on there. Get it on there good. You want a lot of blue cheese with this to stand up to that blackening seasoning, like so. Looking good, looking good. All right, here he is. All right, now we need to lid him and get that cheese melted. So let's do that. As you know, we always roll with a little bit of Bush Light when we do that. Bush Light, lid. We'll see you in a minute. All right, moment of truth. It's been a minute. Let's see how she looks. Oh, Nelly. Oh, we lost a piece of bacon. We'll put it back on there. There she is. Does that not look freaking delicious? All right. Got some buns toasted. Well, one bun toasted. Hey, we'll plate that sucker up next. All right, it's absolutely time to plate our masterpiece we got going on there. There's our toasted bun. Here's the star of the show, our black and blue burger. We'll get him right on there. Obviously, impeccably clean hands, as usual, on Cooking with Corey. Look at that. Does that not look delicious, or does that not look delicious? All right, pretty simple. Just put a bun on him. We're gonna cut him in half. Look at that blue cheese run. Look at all that deliciousness going on there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Look how juicy. Look at that. Let's take a bite. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Flavor bomb, people. Flavor bomb. Wow, that blue cheese at the end. That blackening. Oh. Then the bacon. Wow. I'll tell you what. A lot of flavor in this. Don't forget, get away from there, fly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. We'll see you next week. Stay safe, peeps. Make this. It's freaking delicious.